I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your My Phone to begin setting screen time. Scroll down and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls to open the dashboard. You will see a screen time summary with daily and weekly totals for the last 7 days. Tap the chart to view app usage details and notifications count. Press Manage App Timers to start limiting specific apps and set timers for individual application use. Choose any app from the usage list to set an app timer now. Tap Add Timer and enter a limit such as 30 minutes or 2 hours per day. Confirm the timer and repeat for each app you want to control. Return to the Digital Wellbeing home and set a daily limit to cap total screen use. Enable bedtime mode or focus mode to mute notifications during sleeping hours. Enable parental controls from the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls section to manage a child account. Create one passcode that only the parent knows to prevent kids from changing timers. Link the child device or create a supervised profile and set content restrictions and app install limits. Configure screen schedules with specific start and end times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.